DoorDash says no tip, no trip. Well, DoorDash itself doesn't say it, but apparently this is well known in the delivery community. No tip, no trip. This is a word of warning. It's a TikTok life hack.
TikTok.
That sounds like a pleasant dessert. I'll have a, you know what? I'm going to have one of those.
TikTok toffee?
I'm going to have one of those TikTok bars.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it sound kind of like butterscotch or Biscoff, which you love?
Oh, big fan.
It's a merging of the... That's funny how a word can sound appetizing.
Yeah.
This is a TikTok life hack for you. No tip, no trip, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. I'm going to let you in on a little... Check it out. I'm going to let you in on something. Guess what happens to all the bags when there's no tips? I'm a DoorDash delivery driver. I'm going to let you in on something. Yeah, they sit there forever and nobody takes them. They take other bags instead. They check for the ones that have tips on it and they go deliver that one.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, somebody like DoorDash or Uber Eats or whoever is going to hate to see something like this. And I'm a big DoorDash guy, but I'm also doing the tipping. But we did a clip the other day. We said, have people had too much with the tipping? Mm-hmm. Are they fed up with the tipping? Mm-hmm. Can they handle the tipping? Mm-hmm. And the auto and the buttons, boom, 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 boom. Next thing you know, the delivery shows up $400. You got 2 meals. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Like, what did I do? I tipped the birds on the street on the way over here.
Mm. Gave them some...
Who didn't get tipped on the way over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tipped my neighbor on the way over here.
Pockets are just lined with dollar bills.
Yeah, per kilometer. It's a per kilometer tipping structure. I tip, it's cash out the window on the way there. Uh-huh. No, but in all seriousness, I don't know how their business models even, like, you know, how key the tipping is to make the thing worthwhile to do. It's much like you have special agreements and things like for waiters in some places where the initial wage will be really low because of the assumption of the tipping. Mm-hmm. And I know a lot of people disagree with it. They say just pay the wage and like stop already. But the tipping culture appears to not be going anywhere. And if anything, it appears to be increasing. So... I mean, here we have some quotes. My daughter works for DoorDash, and she gets paid like $2 per hour. So her salary is based off tips. Yeah. Well, there you go. It wouldn't be exclusive to waiters in restaurants. Now you got the delivery people that are working in the same way. $3.50 for Dashers, but they make $11. Detailed the commenter. We got to pressure DD to raise the wages. So that goes for all of them. We got to find that healthy balance. So there's more transparency for the user. What am I actually paying for? How do we keep the cost down, make sure the drivers get a piece, like it's all spread out? We got to do this efficiently, right? Well,
oh yeah.